This is a brand new 2015 Ford Super Duty. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Features include a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Vernon Auto Group is located at 2803 Wilbarger Street in Vernon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.